Hi, I'm Joe from the Center for Arkansas Farms and Food, and today I'm going to show you how to start and operate our Farmall 140. We're going to start today by turning on the fuel to the tractor. I'm going to reach in here and turn the fuel knob. We're going to do a turn and a half. That should turn on the fuel. Now that we have the fuel on, we can climb up onto the tractor. It's a step. To start it, we're going to press the brakes down and the clutch down. We're going to put the tractor in neutral. Very important with this tractor. It does not have any safety switches. It will start in gear. You want to make sure the clutch is in and the tractor gear is in neutral. Now, if it's cold, we're going to pull the choke rod out towards you. And if it's warm and the tractor's been running for a while, you won't need the choke. We're now going to give the tractor just a little bit of throttle. We're going to turn the key to the on position and press and hold the starter switch. Now there is no ROP for this tractor, so you'll notice that there is no seat belt provided. Now we have removed the hydraulic system on this tractor, so there's no rear 3-point hitch, and our mid-mount cultivator is ran off an electric switch. So we're going to go down and then up. And in this case, they are in opposite directions. Now when you're raising the mid-mount cultivator, you have to be a little careful that you don't raise it up too high because it can catch on the left side. And see, we just caught there. So on this tractor, there is no low and high range. There's only a 4-speed transmission in reverse. So we're going to put it in first gear here, let off the brake, and slowly and gently let off the clutch. This is an older tractor, so you gotta be a little bit more careful with the clutch. And we can shift on the fly with this tractor, so I'm in first gear, I can clutch, shift, and go without actually coming to a complete stop. Now go into reverse, we put it in neutral, over to the right, and then back to go in reverse. Now to shut this tractor off, I throttle down. I'm going to let the tractor cool off. It's been working for a little bit. And I'm going to leave it in gear while I shut it off because we don't have a great parking brake. And then I'm going to turn the key to shut it off and let the tractor come to a complete stop. We have no more engine noise. Then I can release off the clutch and the tractor's parked.